When using Pipper Standard Natural Laundry Detergent, it is important to read the back of the label to know how much detergent to use for your wash. For best results, shake well before use, as separation is natural. If you have a fabric with a heavy stain, pre-treat the stained fabric by pouring laundry detergent directly onto the fabric. Then, rub in and soak. When pouring laundry detergent, make sure to use the specially designed spill-proof cap to ensure that the proper amount is used. For front-load machines, or for hand washing, use 30 milliliters of Pipper Standard, measured by using the bottom line on the cap. For top-load machines, use 40 milliliters of Pipper Standard, measured by using the top line on the cap. Wash normally. You will be pleased with how clean and fresh your clothes are.